Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. In this video, I'll show you how to set a lock timer in YouTube Kids so that the app automatically shuts off after a set period. Let's get started. First, head over to youtubekids.com on your PC and sign in if needed. Now, click on your profile icon at the bottom of the screen. Next, select the gear icon to open the parental settings. Here, you'll need to complete a quick math challenge for access. For example, it might say 6 times 7. Simply enter the correct answer and hit supply. Once inside the settings, click on set timer. Now, choose how long you want the app to run before it locks. Let's say you select 1 minute. After setting the time, click set timer. The countdown will begin immediately. When the timer runs out, YouTube Kids will automatically lock out and show a message like time's up. To reopen the app or extend the time, go back to the settings and solve the math challenge again, and either adjust the time or tap exit timer to remove the time limit completely. This is a great way to manage screen time safely and easily. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to Guide with Samuel for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching.